Hello everybody, Parker York Smith here, and welcome back to my channel where today we're going to be talking about watches. Ever since I was little, I've always been a big fan of wearing a watch. I've gone through several different phases with them over the years. I started out wearing a digital watch as a little kid, and then in high school I went through a super embarrassing phase of wearing those like big chunky ones with all the fake diamonds all over them like the rappers wore. So bad. And now I like to wear all kinds of different styles, sometimes pretty minimal, sometimes a little bit more on the bolder side. It all just kind of depends on what I'm wearing and my mood. So this brings us to today's video sponsor, Watch Gang. If you're someone who's interested in watches but you're not really sure where to start, Watch Gang is perfect for you. They're a subscription service that's gonna send you a new watch every single month. They have 3 tiers of membership. There's the original membership, which is 29 bucks a month, and you're gonna get a watch that's valued between 50 and 150 bucks, which in the world of watches is super respectable. There's the black membership, which is $99 a month, and you're gonna get a watch anywhere from $150 to $500. That's a really nice watch. And for those of you who are just really trying to flex, there's the platinum membership for $299, which is gonna give you a watch worth 500 to 1,500 bucks.
Dang.
What's great about this is that when you sign up, you tell them what kind of styles you're interested in, and they take that into consideration when they're picking which one to send you each month. My personal recommendation would be to start out your collection with very classic minimalist style pieces, because these are gonna be the most versatile. They're gonna allow you to style them with a ton of different looks. The watch that I received is from the black membership level, and it is from Rula. Probably just butchered that name so hard. They are a German brand. They make really high quality timepieces. Let's open this thing up. It came in this zippered pouch, which is really nice if you do not already have a watch drawer or a watch box, because that's one thing you always want to remember. You should not just be tossing them loosely in a drawer to be banging around together. You want to try to keep them in their own individual little place so that they don't get scratched. All right, so first time I'm seeing this. Ooh. That's really nice. I actually really like that. It's a blue kind of diver style watch, blue face, black silicone band. It does this. I never know why watches do this. If someone knows, I'd love it if you'd let me know down in the comments. I like that it is a buckle clasp. That way I can kind of wear it as tightly as I want. I don't need to worry about removing any links or anything. Also, ooh, nice. It's automatic, which I just realized, which means that you don't ever have to change the battery. It will just always be charging itself with your movement as you wear it. Little details like that are what are gonna separate a really nice watch from like a nice entry mid-range level watch. Things that you'll start to notice as you get more and more involved with watches. I was curious how much this would cost on its own if I just went out and bought it. I found it on Amazon for $490 plus $10 shipping, so 500 bucks. That's an insanely good deal for just $99. You see how I strategically got my tattoo like just below where my watch band falls? That's how you know I wear a lot of watches. So aside from just how a watch looks and feels on my wrist, another thing that's super important to me is how it works within an outfit. Understanding what types of looks work best with what types of watches is extremely key. Something like this is really great because it straddles that line between casual and upscale. What's gonna make a watch like this super versatile is the fact that the face itself, it looks pretty fancy, right? But it's also not super over the top. I could easily wear this with jeans and a t-shirt and be fine, but I could also style it with an upscale casual look and it would fit in really well. A sport watch or a digital watch is just not gonna look this nice, you know? The size of the face is also something that's gonna add to the versatility and something you should be paying attention to. This one is 43 millimeters in diameter. Personally, a rule of thumb is anything 40 millimeters and above is gonna look really nice with a classy outfit, but you also don't wanna go too big. Anything over like 46 just ends up kind of looking like a saucer on your wrist. And then on the flip side, what makes this watch work really well casually is the silicone strap. As I said before, it's black, so it keeps things on the classy side, but it's also going to be comfortable that you can wear it all day long. A metal strap sometimes ends up rubbing me weird or like pinching my arm hair, and sometimes I'm just not really in the mood to wear something dressy like that with a really casual outfit. All right, so now that you understand what to look for in a versatile watch, I'm gonna show you 2 ways that I style this one so you can see for yourself just how versatile it really is. Let's do this thing. And we're back. That was 2 ways to style this watch from Watch Gang, one casual and one business casual. As you saw, the watch doesn't need to be the focal point of the outfit, but it can add a little bit of extra detail and it can add some differentiation so you can really individualize yourself. Plus, you'll always know the date and time without having to look at your phone. Thank you very much to today's video sponsor, Watch Gang. They've been nice enough to offer you guys a discount if you use the code Parker10 at checkout. I'll put a link in the description to their website so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. If you want to start building out your watch drawer, this is the best way to do it. It's gonna be constantly evolving your looks and improving your style. Be sure to check out my Instagram page to see how I styled this Turula. I still don't know how to say it. And lots of other outfit and style inspiration. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed today's video, you gotta hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you are not already, and tell a friend about the channel. And as always, gotta do it for you, not them. I will see you guys next time. Bye.